Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to check battery health on Microsoft Surface Pro 12. To check the current battery health of your device, you have to install the official app from Microsoft, that is called Surface Repair Tool. We can install it from the Microsoft Store. So let's open it. Let's open the search field and search for Repair Tool. I think it was worth entering Surface in the beginning, so let's do this. Here we have it. Open this applications page, then get it and open it. Tap yes. And in this application you'll find your battery information with the design capacity, which is the original capacity of your device. Then if you expand this menu, you will see your full charge capacity, and as long as your full charge capacity is somehow higher than the design capacity or equals the design capacity, this means that your battery health is in 100% state. But if full charge capacity goes below design capacity, especially if it goes down below significantly, this means that you have to replace your device's battery. And besides, we can also go to test menu on the sidebar, hit the checkbox next to battery, then tap run underneath test, and then follow the instructions. So first of all, we have to plug in the charger if you don't have it plugged in already. Then tap start. Then let your device check it once, and unplug your charger and tap start once again. And in the end of this test, you'll also see whether your battery is functioning normally. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.